Hello, and welcome to part two of the Boxitects challenge. In part one, you had an opportunity to make a shelter. And in part two, the big surprise is we're going to actually make a vehicle for transportation. So you're going to use your cardboard and your 3Dux connectors and any other materials that you have available at your school or home, and you're going to create an invention or a vehicle for transportation. So what kind of vehicles of transportation are out there, and what will you want to build? So think about all of the ways that we can get around our town, our village, our city, or even around the world. So locally, let's see, we can use bicycles or maybe motorcycles or cars. If you want to go far away, maybe you need an airplane, or if you want to go to another planet, you might need a rocket ship or a shuttle. So there's lots of different forms of transportation out there. I want you to think about a type of transportation that is used in the same type of community or the same part of the world that you built your shelter in. So, for example, if your shelter, let's see, was in China, you might want to look up China and the types of transportation that people in China might use. Now, of course, there's all different parts of China and all different types of transportation based on the community. But you can go and be a little bit creative, but do your best to try to pair up your shelter with the type of transportation that the people living in that shelter would use. So that is part two of your challenge. And when you're done with part two, don't take it apart. Save it, because you're going to need your construction from part one of the Boxitects challenge and your construction from part two of the Boxitects challenge for part three, which is coming next. So go off, build your vehicle for transportation. Don't forget to send us some of your photos so we can share on our student showcase. And then we will prepare for part three. Happy building! For more information about products and projects by 3DuxDesign, visit us at www.3duxdesign.com, and don't forget to share projects on social media for a chance to win great prizes.